Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain different types of specialist doctors. First, we'll see the women. For ladies problems like periods, PCOD and uterus problems, they should consult gynecologist. Coming to the treatment of pregnant ladies and delivery, they are treated by the obstetricians. And newborn children, that is children below 1 year, are treated by the neonatologist. And children like from 1 year to adolescence, they are treated by the pediatrician, and old age people are treated by the geriatrician. Hair specialist, we call them as trichologist. So any hair related problems, we should consult trichologist. And for skin, hair and nails, dermatologists are needed. And any eye related problem, we should consult ophthalmologist. And any hearing problem, we should consult audiologist. And speech related problem are treated by the speech therapist. And ENT means ear, nose, throat. Any kind of ENT problems like sinusitis, tonsillitis, adenoids, they are treated by the ENT surgeon. Coming to the dentist will treat problems related to the oral cavity, gums, tongue, palate, cheek, etc. And any kind of endocrinal problems like thyroid, diabetes, vitamin D, calcium, these problems are seen by the endocrinologist. And lung problems like asthma, breathing problem, they are treated by the pulmonologist. Any kind of heart related problems, they are treated by the cardiologist. And problems related to the digestive organs like stomach, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, these treated by the gastroenterologist. Liver specialization doctor, we call them as hepatologist. And any kind of kidney problems are treated by the nephrologist. And problems related to the urinary tract are treated by the urologist. And also male infertility problem and problem related to the prostate gland, they are also treated by the urologist. And problems related to the foot and ankle, they are treated by the podiatrist. Problems related to the brain and spinal cord like epilepsy, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's disease, they are treated by the neurologist. And psychiatric problems like stress, depression, anxiety, these all problems are treated by the psychologist or psychiatrist. And any problem related to the bones are treated by the orthopedician. Coming to the general medicine doctor treat non-surgical treatment of diseases of various internal organs like general fever, headache, BP, asthma, thyroid, liver, heart problems. General related problems are treated by the general medicine. And coming to the emergency medicine doctors treat like poisoning cases, accident, heart attack, burns, critical patients are treated by the emergency medicine doctors. And oncologist doctor treats the cancer and cancer related problems. Coming to the general surgeon do surgical treatment for the removal of tumors, etc., anything in the human body. And coming to the rheumatologist treat conditions like arthritis, gout, back pain, etc. And anesthesiologist is the doctor who gives anesthesia prior to the surgery. And radiologist is the doctor who do CT scan, MRI scan, any radiological diagnosis and report analysis was done by the radiologist. Coming to the physiotherapist is the doctor who advises strengthening exercises related to the joint, neck, back pain, any etc. Who does physiotherapy exercises, who advises it. And the pathologist is the doctor who collects the blood sample and who analyzes the sample and gives a report, is done by the pathologist. And any problem related to the blood was treated by the hematologist. And any kind of veins problem or varicose veins, they are treated by the vascular surgeon. This is all about the different types of specialties. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.